Ever feel like you're posting videos into a void? Let me tell you exactly why that's the secret to future success. Trust me, every creator's been there. By the end of this, you'll see why those quiet uploads are actually your foundation. First off, every video is practice. From story writing to recording, editing, right? Your camera presence, it all improves whether people are watching or not. That's why it's so important for you to keep going, keep uploading, keep creating. And here's the thing, consistency is what separates hobbyists from creators who grow. People who take this seriously and keep pushing and really build something for themselves and build a channel and build a community. It's not always easy, but the more you do it, the faster you get, the better you get, and the more confident you'll get in yourself and your videos. The point is, it builds trust with the algorithm and your future viewers. It shows that you're serious, that you want this, and you're not going to stop. But consistency alone isn't enough. Your content has to matter. And stuff like comments, likes, and people sharing your videos is what really grows your channel. Now here's where it gets fun. When people do find you, they'll binge watch your backlog. If they connect with you, they really resonate with your material and your content, they're gonna go back and see what else you've done. They're gonna take a look at your channel. That's where your strategy on your channel will really help as well. If you set things up in playlists, or you've been pushing end screens and things to your other videos, because it helps you drive the traffic that finally shows up on one video to another video and another video and another video. So don't ever think that your uploads, if they've quit climbing and they're not getting impressions anymore, they're not a waste of video. That is something there for other people to watch when they find you. And honestly, posting without instant results, that's where you get discipline. That's where you learn that there's never going to be overnight success. This is a long game. You already know that worrying about the performance of each video really doesn't matter that much. You can let it sit. You'll be calm. You won't be checking the app every 10 minutes. You'll be well on your way to getting your channel growing and flourishing. And finally, remember this. Every upload is a seed, right? A video that gets 10 views today could explode in the future. I've seen videos on creators' channels that got 30 views in the first 2 weeks, and then something happened and bang, 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 bang. They take off and get 2,000 views in a matter of 2 days. You never know when that video is going to hit. You never know when that next video might be the video that does that. So keep uploading and keep in the back of your mind that one video, this next video, that could be the one that explodes. Just keep creating content and you will get to where you want to be. You know, so if you feel like nobody's watching, they will. Just keep on posting. And if you found any value in this video, give it a like. Maybe watch this one next. I'm going to leave it there. You guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Never forget, you got this.